Let's zoom all the way out. You keep saying crew. What does that actually mean? Because to me, AI crew sounds like marketing.
Fair, and I'd be skeptical too. Here's the honest version. It's not one chatbot, and it's not another dashboard you have to go operate. It's 15 agents, each one owning a specific job across your whole operation, service and sales, both.
15. Give me the real ones, not buzzwords.
Sure. A front desk that answers calls and books the bay. A parts desk that watches inventory and drafts the order. Diagnostics that runs 4 databases as one search. A sales agent on the leads. An appraiser. Finance. Documents. An insights agent that briefs you every morning. People in HR. Real seats, real jobs.
And why 15 narrow agents instead of one big smart assistant that does everything?
Because does everything does nothing well. This is straight out of my time at Tesla and SpaceX. You don't build one system that tries to do it all. You build specialized parts, each responsible for one thing, each accountable for one number. A parts agent that only watches parts is better at parts than a do-everything bot.
So each agent owns a number.
One number, and a clear line it won't cross without you. The parts desk owns stockouts. The front desk owns booked calls. And each one has a boundary. The agent that drafts a purchase order doesn't get to spend your money. The one that preps an appraisal doesn't get to set the price.
Let's talk about that off switch, because that's the fear. People hear autonomous AI and picture it doing something dumb at 2 in the morning with no one watching.
And that fear is correct if there's no control. So every single agent has 3 modes. Off, it does nothing. Approve, it drafts the work and you okay it before anything happens. Auto, it runs on its own, and you set that per agent. You can have diagnostics on auto and keep the one that texts customers on approve until you trust it.
So you ease into it. Nothing flips to full autonomy on day 1.
Nothing. You start almost everything in approve. You watch it work, and you promote each agent to auto only when it's earned it. That's exactly how you'd commission any serious autonomous system. You don't hand it the keys before it's proven.
Okay, the other big objection. I already have software I like. I'm not switching everything for this.
Then don't. This is the part I want to be really clear on. It sits on top of the systems you already run. Keep your shop software, keep your DMS, nothing gets ripped out. The crew orchestrates across your existing tools. It doesn't replace them. No rip and replace.
And the honest answer on jobs. Is this here to cut staff?
No, the whole point is your current team running about 40% more efficient. The agents take the busy work, the chasing, the tab hunting, the after-hours phone, so your people do the work that actually needs a human. Augment, not replace. If anything, your good people get to do more of the part they're good at.
Last thing. Why should anyone trust that you, specifically, built this right?
Because I've built systems where being wrong wasn't an option. Engineering at Tesla, SpaceX, and Rivian, places where an autonomous system has to be safe, has to cite its work, and has to have a human in the loop on anything that matters. I brought that same discipline to the shop. That's the bar.
Where do people start?
Live demo. No login at autoadvisorpartners.com/demo. Drive the whole crew yourself. Or have us run a service drive audit on your real numbers. AutoAdvisor, the autonomous service drive.